Welcome to Insiders Health News. I'm Kimberly Walston with your daily dose of the freshest happenings in the world of medicine without the quack propaganda. Today we'll be talking about Jim Heckler, who decided he was done pumping himself full of pain medication and would seek out alternatives to his chronic pain. Turns out the results were life-changing. 2 years after a hip surgery that didn't go quite as planned, Heckler had shooting pains down his legs, feeling like electrical shocks. His doctors wanted to help him out, so he was prescribed various painkillers, which he took without question. But after a while, Heckler decided he didn't want a life filled with narcotics and sought out a better way to become pain-free. It started with some pretty simple steps: lose weight, do back exercises to strengthen the core, take up yoga, ice frequently, and add some supplements to the diet. Before long, our pain victim had dropped from 240 pounds to 208 and had gotten his pain down to a tolerable level. This was important to his new doctor, Vijay Vad, who did sports medicine at the Hospital for Special Surgery in Manhattan. Vad doesn't believe in long-term medication and decides to look for the problem rather than trying to mask it. In 30 years, he claims he can count his number of failures on one hand. He believes in going straight to the source instead of just medicating the symptoms. You wouldn't take pain meds for a cavity, would you? This seems like the most obvious course of treatment in any situation, but you would be surprised how often pain pills become the singular solution. If you're experiencing chronic pain and you're popping the Percocet every day, maybe you should try Vad's method that worked so well for Heckler. If you can find a passionate doctor that's willing to look every which way at your problem, you just might find a lasting solution. And this one won't include any addiction or side effects. That's it for this edition of Insiders Health News. I'm your host, Kimberly Walston, and remember, it's your health. We're just helping you think outside the box.